Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is race 1 Gulfstream Park on 16th May. In race 1 on the Tapita track, the favorite was number 5 Sarkis, ridden by Lionel Rains. There was also support for number 4 My Foolish Notion and number 7 Secret Power. As you will see in this replay, once the gates open, the race quickly developed in favor of number 1 Infinity and Beyond. Infinity and Beyond broke well from the inside and went forward early. Cousin Winnie also showed speed, while My Foolish Notion and Sarkis settled just behind the leaders. The most important part of the race was the face. The opening quarter was 25 seconds flat, and the half mile went in 50 and 4. Those were comfortable fractions, which allowed Infinity and Beyond to control the race without using too much energy. Behind him, My Foolish Notion traveled well on the rail. While Secret Power was wider, Sarkis, the favorite, had a decent early position. But when the pressure increased, he began to drop back quickly. From that point, he was never a threat. Around the far turn, as you will see in this replay now, Infinity and Beyond open up by about 2 lengths. My Foolish Notion started to chase. Secret Power came wide, and I Wanna Be Me tried to make ground along the rail. Turning for home, Infinity and Beyond still had the advantage. My Foolish Notion finished strongly on the outside and was closing with every stride, but the leader kept finding enough. At the wire, it was a very close photo finish between Infinity and Beyond on the inside and My Foolish Notion on the outside. The result went to number 1 Infinity and Beyond, who held on narrowly. My Foolish Notion was second, Secret Power finished third, Jabario was fourth, and I Wanna Be Me finished fifth. The final time was 1:44 and 2/5. From an analytical view, this race was won by phase control. Infinity and Beyond got to the front, slowed the race down, and saved enough energy for the finish. My Foolish Notion ran a strong race in defeat, but because the leader had such an easy time early, he just couldn't get there in time. Secret Power ran respectably but had to cover more ground. The big disappointment was Sarkis, who faded badly after traveling in a good position early. So the key takeaway is simply Infinity and Beyond won because he controlled the race from the front and had enough left to hold off the late challenge. The official finish was 1:47, 9 and 3. Infinity and Beyond was the winner, ridden by Heriberto Figueroa and trained by Heather Smullen. As you can see, this is a summary of official results. For further details, please go to the description box. Thanks for watching and have a good day.